Struggling to climb stairs without pain? Or maybe getting up from your favorite armchair feels harder each week. If your knees feel swollen, stiff, or achy, you're not alone. Millions of people over 60 in the US, UK, and Australia deal with knee pain every single day. And here's the tough part. It doesn't just hurt. It can take away your independence, keep you from hobbies you love, and make you feel older than you are. But here's the good news. Pain is not something you have to accept as a natural part of aging. Today, I'll show you 6 natural, science-backed strategies you can start at home to reduce swelling, ease pain, and protect your knees for the years ahead. Hi, I'm Dr. David Thompson, and I've dedicated my career to helping seniors stay strong, independent, and active. Stick with me until the end of this video because the last tip might surprise you. And let me know in the comments, does this sound familiar to you? Struggling to climb stairs without pain? Or maybe getting up from your favorite armchair feels harder each week. If your knees feel swollen, stiff, or achy, you're not alone. Millions of people over 60 in the US, UK, and Australia deal with knee pain every single day. And here's the tough part. It doesn't just hurt. It can take away your independence, keep you from hobbies you love, and make you feel older than you are. But here's the good news. Pain is not something you have to accept as a natural part of aging. Today, I'll show you 6 natural, science-backed strategies you can start at home to reduce swelling, ease pain, and protect your knees for the years ahead. Hi, I'm Dr. David Thompson, and I've dedicated my career to helping seniors stay strong, independent, and active. Stick with me until the end of this video because the last tip might surprise you. And let me know in the comments, does this sound familiar to you? Tip number 2, anti-inflammatory foods. Now let's talk about food. What you eat directly affects your joints. Inflammation is the root of swelling and pain, and the right foods can lower it naturally. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds, help your body fight off inflammation. Berries like blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidants that protect your cartilage from wear and tear. And spices like turmeric and ginger are natural anti-inflammatories. Here's how you can apply this in daily life. In the UK, instead of buttered toast for breakfast, try porridge oats topped with blueberries and a sprinkle of walnuts. In the US, swap out red meat for baked salmon once or twice a week. In Australia, add grilled sardines or mackerel to your weekend barbecue. Even small changes matter. 1 handful of nuts, 1 serving of fish, or 1 cup of berries a day can reduce the fire of inflammation inside your body. And remember, this isn't just about your knees. These foods also support your heart and brain. Think of it as giving your whole body an oil change from the inside. Tip number 3, stay hydrated. Did you know your knees are about 70% water? Joints rely on fluid to stay cushioned, like a sponge that's soft when wet but stiff when dry. Yet many seniors unintentionally live in a state of mild dehydration. That means your joints lose their padding and every step feels harder. The solution? Aim for 6-8 glasses of water daily. If plain water feels boring, add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Herbal teas count too. And here's a trick. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip steadily throughout the day. Hydration isn't just about your knees. It improves digestion, boosts energy, and keeps your skin and mind sharp. Think of it this way. Every sip of water is like oiling the hinges of a rusty door. With regular hydration, those hinges move smoothly again. Tip number 4, gentle stretches that actually help. Most people assume that walking alone is enough exercise. Walking is great, but here's the surprising fact. Without stretching, your knees remain stiff and less flexible. Targeted stretches release tension in the muscles that pull on your joints. Here are 2 to try. Hamstring. Stretch. Sit in a sturdy chair. Extend 1 leg straight out, heel on the floor, toes up. Lean forward slightly until you feel a gentle pull in the back of your thigh. Hold for 15-20 seconds. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, step 1 foot back, and press your heel into the ground. Hold 20 seconds, do each stretch 2 to 3 times per side daily. These moves take less than 5 minutes, yet they release pressure and make climbing stairs or standing up smoother. Picture yourself walking in the park without that stiff wooden feeling. That's what stretching delivers. Tip number 5, the myth about walking. Here's where it gets interesting. Many seniors say, I walk every day, so I'm exercising enough. But walking mostly maintains endurance. It doesn't strengthen the muscles that protect your knees. And weak muscles mean more pressure directly on the joint. The fix? Light strength training. No gym required. Try seated leg lifts. Sit in a chair, straighten one leg, hold for 5 seconds and lower slowly. Repeat 10 times per leg, or use a resistance band around your thighs and gently press your knees apart. Think of these exercises as bodyguards for your knees. Strong quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves absorb shock, so your joints don't have to. And here's a bonus. These exercises also improve balance, reducing your risk of falls. Tip number 6, sleep and recovery. Let's not forget one of the most overlooked solutions, sleep. At night, your body goes into repair mode. Without 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, your body can't reduce inflammation effectively. And poor sleep actually makes pain signals feel stronger. Create a bedtime routine. Dim the lights an hour before bed, avoid caffeine in the evening, and do that oil massage we talked about earlier. A warm bath or a calming tea can also help you relax. If you can, aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. It helps your body's natural rhythm. Better sleep doesn't just ease knee pain. It boosts your mood, sharpens your mind, and gives you energy to enjoy the day. Imagine waking up refreshed, standing up without that morning stiffness. That's the power of quality rest. So let's recap. Massage your knees with natural oils. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Stay hydrated. Stretch daily. Strengthen your muscles, and protect your sleep. These aren't complicated changes, but together they can transform how your knees feel day to day. You'll move easier, enjoy life more, and regain the independence you deserve. Imagine chasing your grandkids in the garden, enjoying a walk by the sea, or simply standing up from your chair without wincing. These steps get you there. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. And tell me in the comments, which of these 6 tips will you try first? Remember, this is part of our Health After 60 series. In our next video, I'll share just one daily drink that sharpens your memory at any age. You don't want to miss it. Until then, take care of those knees. They'll take you everywhere you want to go.